how to add snow in Roblox Studio. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is to simply add a part. So to add a part, just simply right click your mouse on Roblox Studio. And then at the bottom right here, it says right there to insert a part. So just click on that. Afterwards, you can now resize your part if you want to. So resize it to the size of how big or the area of your snow will be. So I'll just resize it. I'll make it like somewhat big. There you go. Afterwards, just move it up a bit since the snow is coming from the sky. So let's just move it up a bit. There you go. So you can resize this to anything you like. So I'll just do this as an example. So for example, I'll make it this high and this big. There you go. So once you're done adding your part, in the right side over here, just go to Explorer. And then under your part, just simply click on this plus button right there. After clicking the plus button, what you want to do is you just simply scroll down until you see particle emitter. So just simply click on particle emitter right there. And as you can see from this part right there, as you can see that snow is falling off of it. But as you can see right now that we still have this part and it still looks very visible. So if you want to make this part that you've made invisible, go back to Explorer, click on your part, and then under properties right there, just search up for transparency. There you go. And then I'll just set the transparency to the max. And then there you go. So you can see that our part is now invisible, and then you will now see the snow falling off that part. And then there you go. And then if you want to edit some additional settings for your part, you can just simply do so just by clicking on it. And then you can modify the settings right here, like the appearance, the size, the orientation, the position, and etc, etc. So feel free to customize your part out. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add snow in Roblox Studio.